guys, it's Henry from Mowers and Blowers again. Frank the UPS guy struck again. He gave me a text and told me at this address near my house there was a power washer. So I drove over there and got it. It's a Tecumseh engine, old. I highly doubt it'll work, but you know what? I could always use the gun and the hose because I have other power washers that don't have hoses and guns. You know, those cost like, well, it's like 20 bucks for the gun, another 20 bucks for the hose. The combo is like 50 bucks, you know what I'm saying? So that definitely wouldn't work out. I highly doubt this will work. This is really old. You can tell by the gas cap. This Tecumseh model is really old. How about that? I smell gas. If it's really, really old, it may not have had gas. So this might have been running up to a few years ago. Also in the pile of crap, junk that this guy was throwing out, he also had one of these cargo carriers. I don't really want them for the top of my car or van or something like that, but I've got so many damn parts now that I just basically put this in my backyard along the tree line, you know, near the fence. And I just put my spare parts in there, you know, that keeps my garage and my shed clear, you know. And who knows, maybe somebody wants to buy it if it's in good shape. I'm going to pull all this crap out. My other thing that I got is this old Sears X cargo carrier. Comes with all the brackets and stuff like that to mount on your roof rack. But you know what, these things aren't, you know, really worth that much money. There's no key to the locks. It's not locked. I took it because I could use it to put my parts in the backyard, which is what I'm going to do. Just for shits and giggles. Well, you know what that means? It means it has spark. But that's about it. So I'll work on this another day. Thanks, Frank. So I'm going to take that bowl off and see what we find. So I just loosened the nut on that bowl and fuel started coming out. So it's getting fuel, you know, in the bowl. That is, if it's fuel. Just used a half-inch wrench and just loosened the bolt, you know. So fuel was coming out, so I'm thinking maybe, you know, fuel is flowing, maybe it's good. So I'm going to check for spark. Took the spark plug out. Now I'm going to give it a pull. I saw some spark before. Let's put it like that. This unity? Okay. Yep, we got spark, see? So I just pulled it a bunch of times, it doesn't start. So I'm just gonna take apart the carburetor. Okay, well, so it's a little dirty. Let's see if there's a hole in, if you could see through there. So that little tiny hole is completely blocked, right? And that one there, completely blocked. Stuffed with stuff. See that? I'm gonna get my torch tip cleaners and go nuts. Gotta make sure that little hole is clear. See, you don't even know if there's a hole in there. It's so tiny, you can't even see it. This hole's pretty dirty, but you know what? Now we can see through it. See? You can still see that there's sediment in there. I'm gonna blow that out. I just have this like this, and I didn't take the carburetor off. Looks like I can get to everything from here, so. Clean the bowl out, clean the nut out. That's all I see that was wrong. I blew fluid in there, fluid in the Welsh plug. Everything else seems to be okay. You know why? Because when I go like this, sorry. When I go like this, well, the fuel did come out. It's weird. Fuel did come out. Just took the needle out and it's pouring out. Go like that to stop the fuel. With my mirror there, I could see that the seat is good.
So what have you got so far?
Oh! Hi, Boba!
Does your dear go bad? Oh? Oh. Nice, dear good. I thought you said your dog did not bite.
That is not my dog.
So, I just put the carburetor on, and now I will tighten the bolt with the 1/2 inch wrench. Do not tighten it too tight, because it is brass, and it will strip the bolt. And now I will try to start it. Ooh. Ooh, almost did. Ooh, almost. I suspected that there might be water in the gas tank, so I took the bowl off again and disconnected the fuel hose line. I blew out the gas tank over here so it's nice and clean, and now I'm going to take compressed air and blow it into the thing here. Just to get all the air. Get all the air and the water out. Nice. As you know, you shouldn't run these things without water, but I highly doubt the pump works, you know. And that is yet another power washer that I got this year. I think this is 4 or 5 that I got. And I'll put it in the back with my other ones. But I got the engine started. And it was a very easy carb clean, quick and dirty. just for my records. You know what I mean? Anyway, that's it. Thanks a lot. Frank, the UPS guy, gave me the tip on this. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Another free power washer from Frank, the UPS guy. Thanks for following, guys. Follow me on Instagram at Mowers Blowers. Check out my website, Mowers Blowers.